Hello guys, this is me Lisa. Today I will show you how to use the Pathfinder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, there's many six or seven types option is in Pathfinder tool in Adobe Illustrator, which is very necessary whenever you are about to design something. Then you will need that Pathfinder tool. So I will show you very simply what is the sign of the Pathfinder, means what kind of action. Okay, let's see. I will take a page, create new. So I will take 5" by 5" page. This is, I will create it. Okay, at first I will select to circle, pressing the shift because it's ellipse tool. So if you don't press the shift option, then it will not be the proper circle. It will become an ellipse or something else. Okay, I'm taking a circle. I will make it large, pressing the shift option. Then I will click I will press Ctrl and Alt, and I will just make another one of this circle. Then I will make I will vanish the stroke color, but I will take a color for it. It will be purple, and I will again take a color for it, and I will vanish the stroke color, and I will take a color for it. Maybe it's skyish blue. Okay. So at first I will select by pressing shift. I have selected these two. I have to align this. I will align this like this, and I have to keep it here. So this is the position I have kept this two circle. Now I'll see how I can use the Pathfinder tool. Okay, let's go to the Pathfinder tool. At first you see that unite. If you put your cursor over it, so it will say everything about it. So unite means these two periphery of this circle, there will be no common portion of this circle. This will become this. One circle has engulfed the whole area of the two circles overlapping area. Okay, I will press Ctrl Z just to undo that action of mine. Okay, again put your cursor here. Minus font. Minus font means what? Look, one of your circle and the common area between these two circles will be minus, and this portion will be this is the remain portion. Okay, I will again press Ctrl Z, and then I will go for it. Intersect. Intersect means the intersecting portion that is two circle is intersecting in a common portion. So this will look like this. Okay, because the intersecting portion will remain intact and the other portion of the two circle will be erased. I will again press Ctrl Z, and then I will do this. Exclude. Let's see what happened. Exclude means the common portion will be deleted and the uncommon portion between these two circles will be remain. Okay, I will again press Ctrl Z. Then this is divide. Divide means there will be three sections. This section, this is group. Yeah, at first you have to ungroup it. Then see, this is a portion, this is a portion, and this is a portion, because this tree has been divided. Okay, then I'll just make it group again. Group. Then I have to take it another time because I have dissection it. So I will take another circle. So again shift. So I Ctrl Alt, pressing Ctrl Alt, I am taking another form, and pressing shift I am I will align it. Okay, I'll make it a little bit closer. I'll make it a little bit closer, and then I will again select it and go to the align. That's it. Okay, I'll take it as a color. I will take it as red. Then it's okay. Okay, now again see that what will happen in the Pathfinder to like trim. Trim is like one will overlap another one, and there will be no portion that this one is showing, that it will be trimmed. This portion of this circle, of this purple circle portion of common portion will be trimmed. Okay, again I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Then this is the merge. Let's see what merge do. Merge is doing, this is the portion is doing merge. Okay, then I'm again going for crop. Crop portion is, the common portion will remain intact, but the other portion of the circle will become colorless because you crop this portion, right? So I will again go for the outline. Outline means the outer periphery line will be shown only, but the inner part will not be shown. So that is the portion what is outline means. So again, minus back means the back portion was the purple color circle, so that back circle is minused, and only the remain the front circle portion, which is that was not the common portion, will be intact. So that's all for today, guys. I have shown you the Pathfinder tools activity, how you can maintain it while designing a logo or something else. You can maintain it like that. Some of our friends facing problem with it, so that's why I am showing it to you. So that's all for today. If you find any problem regarding this issue, so you can let me know about it so that I can help you. You can comment in the comment section, and if you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and have a good day.